This is the setup guide for the Dasin Cloud System head office. Select Chinese or English when logging in. This tutorial uses the English version. After logging in, you can view the current status of all devices. In account management, you can view all branches. Click Add Branch. Enter the branch name, then click Add. You can now see the newly added branch in account management. Device management lets you view the status of all devices. Click Bind. Bind the device to the selected branch. First, select the branch. Select the device serial number below. Click Confirm. The device has been successfully bound. Use parameter management to configure key names and brewing parameters. Click. You can configure up to 20 brewing parameter sets. Click Headquarters key setting. You can configure up to 20 brewing parameter sets. Click Branch Key Brewing. Configure key names and brewing parameters for each branch. You can view the current cloud parameters. You can also view the current device parameters. Select a brewing parameter. Now you can configure the cloud brewing parameters. Quickly select from up to 20 brewing parameter sets. Scroll down to view the cloud parameters and current parameters for a single key. Upload current settings or download cloud settings. After setting the brewing parameters, click Update. Then click Cloud to Device in the upper right corner. The sync is complete. Once synchronized, the device will display parameters updated. Parameter module lets you configure test parameter modules. Parameter modules can be synchronized, sync to a single device, a branch, or all devices. Add additional administrators to assist with management. After clicking Add, select the permissions that this account will manage.